Good evening, everybody. Welcome to another video. So we're going to have yet another snowstorm moving across areas of the Tennessee Valley, Mid-Atlantic, and Northeast on Thursday, January the 6th. So we're going to be taking a look at the North American model starting at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Thursday, January the 6th. And some snow is projected to be moving into western Tennessee, as well as some sleet across southwestern Tennessee, the Memphis area, moderate to heavy snow across western Kentucky, and light to moderate snow across central, southern Indiana, and southwestern Ohio. As we move into Friday evening around 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, moderate snow is falling across central and eastern Tennessee, eastern Kentucky, southwestern Virginia, all of West Virginia, all of Ohio and western Pennsylvania, as well as portions of northern Indiana and southern Michigan, and possibly some freezing rain across far northeastern Georgia and southwestern North Carolina. And as we head towards the overnight, this is around 2 a.m. January the 7th, Friday, heavy snow is spreading into the central and northern Virginia area. Still snowing across most of West Virginia. Heavy snow again moving across Washington, D.C., central northern Maryland, southern, central, in fact, all of Pennsylvania, most of New York State, and northern New Jersey at this point. And then as we head towards Friday morning at 5 a.m. Eastern Time, heavy snow is falling across Delaware, New Jersey, eastern Pennsylvania, southeastern New York, Massachusetts, and Connecticut as the low pressure begins to intensify off the New England coast into a nor'easter. And then as we head towards 8 a.m., this storm is actually going to be racing off to the northeast pretty fast. Heavy snow is still falling in New Jersey, most of the New England states, New Hampshire, Vermont, and Maine. And then as we head towards 11 a.m., snow exits New Jersey, Pennsylvania, New York, and Delaware. Still, snow continues in the New England area, Massachusetts, and Maine. And then as we head towards Friday afternoon, snow lifts out of the area. So we're going to be taking a look at the snowfall totals projected by the North American model from this next snow event. And when it comes to snowfall totals, areas in the gray are going to see a dusting to 2 inches. Areas in the blue are projected to see 2 to 6 inches, and areas in the purples are projected to receive 6 to 12 inches of snow. So most of central and northern Tennessee, all of Kentucky, southern Indiana, southeastern Ohio, most of Pennsylvania, northern New Jersey, southeastern New York State, and New England area are projected to see 2 to 6 inches of snow out of this next system. And looks like the core of the snow will be across areas of the Appalachian Mountains, across southeast Kentucky, southwestern Virginia, and West Virginia, with some 6 to 10 inch totals in these purple areas. And then light snowfall totals across Indiana, Illinois, and Ohio, up to 2 inches possible. And then we're going to be taking a look at our GFS model. And this model is actually going to be showing lighter snowfall totals than the North American model. This one still puts 2 to 6 inches of snow across much of Tennessee and Kentucky, West Virginia, northern Virginia, southern Maryland, Delaware, south and central New Jersey, and about 2 to 4 inches of snow in the New England region. So, as we get closer towards Thursday and Friday, these snow totals could fluctuate up or down a couple of inches. So pay attention to your local weather stations and news reports, as well as other weather sources, maybe online, YouTube, or anything, for updates on the snow events. So thanks for watching this video. If you like it, leave a like, and have a wonderful evening.